The answer to the question that why mitochondrial DNA is inherited from the maternal side only and that paternal side has no contribution of the mitochondrial DNA in the offspring is that the sperm has three parts: a head, a midpiece, and a tail. The midpiece of the sperm contains all the mitochondria that are present in a sperm to give it the immense amount of energy in order to move and reach the egg. When the sperm fuses with the egg, it's only the head region which enters into the egg, while the midpiece and the tail do not enter into the egg. Hence, the nucleus that is present in the head of the sperm fuses with the nucleus of the egg to give its 50% of contribution to the offspring, but none of the mitochondria of the sperm which were present in the midpiece have been able to enter the egg, as the egg has blocked that part of the sperm from entering it. Hence, it's only the mitochondria in the egg that is going to be present in the offspring, and therefore mitochondrial DNA is inherited from the maternal side only, and the paternal side has no contribution in this. I hope this video was helpful in understanding this concept. That's all we have for today. Thank you.